Have you ever found yourself in a situation where you need to quickly access your EQbank account only to discover that your app is out of date? It's a frustrating experience, but it's a common one. In today's video, we're going to walk you through the simple steps on how to update your EQbank app. Think about it. Apps are constantly evolving, and updates are essential to ensure you're getting the most out of your banking experience. From new features to security enhancements, updates are the lifeblood of your app. Step 1. Check for updates. The first step is to check if an update is available. Here's how. Open the App Store, iOS, or Google Play Store, Android. Search for EQbank. Tap on the EQbank app. Look for the update button. If it's there, you've got a new version waiting for you. Step 2. Initiate the update. Once you've identified an update, it's time to download and install it. Tap the update button. Wait for the download to complete. The download speed will depend on your internet connection. Once the download is finished, tap Install. Step 3. Verify the update. After the installation is complete, you'll need to verify that the update was successful. Open the EQbank app. Check the app version number. It should match the latest version listed in the App Store. If the version number is correct, the update was successful. Additional tips. Keep your device updated. Ensure your device's operating system is up to date. This will help prevent compatibility issues with the EQbank app. Check for updates regularly. Make it a habit to check for app updates regularly. This will ensure you're always using the latest version. Enable automatic updates. If you want to avoid missing updates, you can enable automatic updates in your App Store settings. Updating your EQbank app is a simple process that can significantly enhance your banking experience. By following the steps outlined in this video, you can ensure that your app is always up to date and ready to serve your needs. So, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and check for updates to your EQbank app right now. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.